How to fix ChatGPT not working on your browser. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to refresh the browser. If you are on your PC, press F5 or click the refresh button on your browser. If that doesn't work, you simply need to close your browser for a while and then completely close the browser and reopen your browser and try opening ChatGPT. If this doesn't work, check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable network. Restart your router or switch to a different network if needed. Third step you need to follow is clear browser cache and cookies. Tap on Chrome browser or any of browser. Tap three dots at top right. Now choose delete browsing data. And tap on more option and here you can easily select cookies and site data. Tap all time to select the time range and then tap on delete data and button right. And now tap delete. Make sure you are using the latest version of your browser. Open Play Store or App Store and check for the updates of Chrome browser or any of the browser that you have been using. If there is any updates, update it to the latest version. If following this step didn't work, reach out to OpenAI support for assistance. By following this step, your ChatGPT should work smoothly on your browser. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.